The 2016 Jeep Compass. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.